Good evening, watch lovers. This is the watch guy at your service once again with a special watch. I had it delivered from the MAEN factory in Europe, the MAEN Manhattan limited order jade vial. Well, I ordered it last year. It's been about 9 to 10 months with at least 2 delays. Supposed to be delivered in July and didn't get it until a few weeks ago. My impressions on the watch. The watch showman is the dial. You can see it's not perfect. It's a raw jade dial, which is beautiful. The loom, the second has no looms. The second hand is, I believe, slightly tiny than it should be. Should be a bigger hand there. Manhattan logo. I chose the solid back instead of the transparent back. Of course, that means I had the Sellita movement in there, which is, I think, Sellita, the lower grade Sellita movement, but still doing pretty good. Maybe -3 seconds per day. Good. Bracelet. I had to take the 2 links out. The screws and the links are very soft, so not the best link screws. Bracelet itself is not bad. Could be better. It's no Rolex, but at least it's not sharp. It is a heavy watch. It's not a light watch. So turn it on. As you can see, oops. $144 was the watch when I checked it. There you go. Yeah, 138 grams. That's about as much as a Rolex Submariner. Dimensions. .6. 37.9. 30.6. Integrated bracelet. The jade MAEN Manhattan. My gripes. Bracelet would have been better. The watch gets really heavy after a day of wearing. Really let us down with the second hands. Sellita movement is excellent. The winding is not as smooth, but okay. I would say I would rate this watch bracelet wise on a scale of 1 to 3, 3 being Rolex level good bracelet. I would give it a 1.5 to 2, especially with the poor screws. The body of the watch, I would definitely give it a 2, well, 3 out of 3. The jade dial, I wish they had polished it a little bit, but not bad. Very unique. I would say almost a 3. My gripes, very poor second hand and small lettering. I wish they'd made it bigger. All right, there you have it. Enjoy.